Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through planning for REVEGO using Blum's product configurator. If you're not familiar with our product configurator, it's located in the e-services section of our website at blum.com. Once in the product configurator, you can select from a wide range of products and applications for your project. For this one in particular, we're going to select pocket systems for REVEGO. Under Program, make sure the newest version of REVEGO is already selected. For planning approach, you have three choices to what installation approach you would like to take: niche, freestanding, or front width. Depending on what you select, the product configurator will ask you different questions and the system will automatically calculate some dimensions for you. Niche installation is a planning approach from the outside moving inwards with a fixed mounting width for the entire application. Select this installation if you are limited in your width and height due to surrounding objects. Freestanding installation is a planning approach from the inside moving outward with a focus on the cabinet width and the run of cabinets within the application. Select this installation if you are not limited by surrounding objects and you want to plan based on what's going inside of the REVEGO. Front width and number of fronts is a planning approach with a predefined number of fronts and fixed front widths. Select this installation if the predefined front widths are crucial for the installation width of the entire application. For this specific example, we'll select that one. Product Configurator will then ask you to enter the dimensions for your application. It will give you a range underneath each field, and if you put something in that is outside of the range or is not an option, an error will show up. Based on these dimensions, Product Configurator will automatically determine what REVEGO options can accommodate your application. You will then be asked to select one of these. Next, we will choose our cabinet design. Options are with a toe kick, without one, or if it's a countertop application. We'll also have to input our pocket side thickness. Depending on what you select, the product configurator will give you a range for the pocket side thickness. Everything for REVEGO is planned in metric, so we've provided a calculator located above that will give you the imperial or inch equivalent and vice versa. Once these selections are put in, hit Next to continue. Now we will enter our height dimensions. Once again, Product Configurator will tell you the range for these dimensions. If you want to know exactly what part of the application you're inputting, you can hit the information button and it will show you specifically what each field is referring to. It will also give you the mathematical solution for that application as well as notes to help you decide what to put in. Do this for the top and bottom reveal definition, track dimension, front height, and any other height dimensions that are left blank. Then hit Next. Next, we will do the same for the width and depth dimensions. Product Configurator will automatically calculate some of these dimensions for you based on your previous inputs. If you need to change anything, you can hit the selection to open the section back up. If you need to go back and change anything at any time, you can simply select the collapse menu to go back or just hit the back button. Hit Next once each section is completed. In the accessories section, you'll find any accessories which may be relevant to your application. Select Yes or No for each and then click the To Result button. Finally, you will come to the results page, which will give you information about your REVEGO build, from accurate parts lists to cut dimensions to CAD CAM data export options. The 3D view allows you to see what your REVEGO will look like once completed. You can rotate your view, zoom in and out, and select individual parts to see where they will be installed on REVEGO. There are also 4 separate menus containing all of the information about your installation. Application Details is a summary that will tell you all the information you entered before. Your parts list will give you a list of the parts needed to install your REVEGO. If you click on a particular part, information will pop up on that part. The Planning and Design section will give you the steps needed for each part of the process. Clicking on a particular plan will give you the information needed to install, as well as important notes for you to know when installing. If you see a camera icon with a number beside it, that means there are more planning and design drawings behind it, so click on it to see more information. The Cutting section tells you the specific cutting information for your REVEGO. An orange saw blade beside a part indicates that it needs to be cut. Any part without this icon does not need to be cut. You may click on each part to get a closer view of the cutting dimensions. Product Configurator tries to use the longest pocket profile available without the need for cutting. However, if we've modified the front protrusion in the depth section, we may have to cut them. If you scroll down to the cutting list, you will find the different lengths, widths, and thicknesses of your different wood components. Finally, at the bottom, you have a detailed view that shows you where specific cuttings are located, as well as the assembly videos to help guide you through the process. If you hit the Actions button, there are many options to help with your installation. For instance, you can save the project in Product Configurator, send to a distributor, or download the installation information in a variety of file types. We hope this video helps you plan for REVEGO using the product configurator. Once again, the product configurator is available for free in the e-services section of our website at blum.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.